Good evening. Today is January 13, 2024 Saturday, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 13, 2024 Saturday. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Saturday, January 13, 2024. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of January 13, 2024 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.